My name is Ryan Laswell, and I am the Executive Director at Nourish. We were founded here in Sheboygan, Wisconsin in 2009. We have farm-to-school and farm-to-community programs, and our goal is that people get to have hands-on experiences either in the kitchen or on the farm with growing, cooking, sourcing, sharing, and eating good food. So we have a 13-acre facility. We have the original orchard from when this was a operating farm decades ago. We have our new orchard that we put in. We have our beehives that help us to pollinate all these different foods that are here. We have a half-mile walking trail that connects our flower gardens and our prairie area, our about 1 acre of in-ground beds, our 25 raised beds, our composting area. We have a 1,800 square foot hoop house that allows us to extend the growing season. So we can bring in groups on rainy days or, bring in groups on cold days and make it a little bit warmer in there. And it allows us to offer a lot more experiences to our guests. I can say without a doubt that without the support of Volrath, not only from your products, but from the authentic engagement from your staff, helping us either on our board or volunteering, I could seriously go through several of you guys that have made this possible, helping us design our kitchen, helping us load up our kitchen with all of our products, helping us guide this organization. We would never be anywhere near where we are now. When you keep in mind that in 2009, we were an organization in a tiny room at another nonprofit, to now being on a 13-acre campus with a 15,000 square foot building, we went from engaging a couple hundred people a year to 32,000 people a year. Where we've gone is insane in these last 10, 15 years.
My name is Katie Bartelt, and I'm the Resource Development Manager here at Nourish. Well, I've only been with Nourish for about a year and a half. Volrath was one of our first partners to come out to our urban farm in Sheboygan, back at our previous locations. Volrath has helped us start a lot of new programs, especially in our new space. One example would be this beautiful loft space that we're in. We now rent for meetings, corporate catering. Volrath was one of those first customers that came to us and said, we love the space and we really want to bring our people here. Some of the feedback I've heard from our guests is that they really feel like when they come to Nourish, they get to know Sheboygan. A little bit about what life is like here, a little bit about our farming and our food systems that exist. Really gives them that opportunity to connect directly to Sheboygan and understand a little bit more about where Volrath is from. I think Volrath is such a community-oriented organization, and with 150 years, they've been a staple here for so long that Volrath is rooted in Sheboygan.
Congratulations, Volrath, on your 150th anniversary. You have done so much to support us in our short journey. I hope that our partnership can help us to celebrate future successes together.